Hello, everyone. It is your girl, Linda Sims of Let's Mess It Up Soul Line Dancing of New Orleans, Louisiana. I am here to present the line dance Billie Jean. The song is Billie Jean and the artist is Michael Jackson, of course. If you're located in the New Orleans area, interested in cardio line dancing classes, please call 504-251-0674. As a friendly reminder, if you're interested in a step-by-step instruction for this dance, I'll post it at the end of this video. And let's go. there you go, instructor. A nice, easy peasy for your beginners. You can just call it out on the floor. Billie Jean. My name is Linda Sims. I am the Who Dat teacher from New Orleans, Louisiana. I thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.